Hello friends, today's QCard's topic is describe a place you visited on vacation. The Q card of this topic can be where it is, when you went there, what you did there, explain why you went there. And the sample of this Q card should go something like this. Well, I'm a travel freak and I never miss an opportunity to travel, especially during my holidays. There are quite a few places that I visited, but here I would love to talk about my recent trip to Manali during my summer vacations with two other close friends. Manali is actually a beautiful hill station which is approximately 400 kilometers away from my hometown. Manali is high altitude place and has hundreds of worth seeing places. So we decided to travel there by our own personal car instead of public transport so that we can stop at few places to click some photographs. The fact is that this year we had extreme summers in our region and we all friends wanted to spend our leisure time in Manali for a weather change. At the same time, we wanted to enjoy its natural bounties and salubrious climate. In addition, Manali is famous for numerous adventure activities like paragliding, river rafting, and many more. Around 6 in the evening, we reached Manali and we checked into our hotel. The next morning, we were ready to explore the nature's best side. We visited few worth-seeing places and we also had river rafting that takes you down the cascading flow of water and a scenic view on both sides. Next day we headed towards Rukhtan, which is a snow point in Manali. It is the best destination for thrill and enthusiastic lovers. We enjoyed ice skating and paragliding there and had a lot of fun together. Last but not least, the Mall Road in Manali is a place where you will find plenty of accommodation options and cafes. We purchased lot of gifts for our relatives and friends, and to preserve the memories of this vacation, we clicked hundreds of photographs. This place is classic blend of peace and tranquility. It was really wonderful experience and memorable vacation for all of us. I wish we had few more days to spend there, but we all had professional commitments. That's why we came back home. And that's it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel.